know that moment when you open a closet and everything falls on you? Or when you're looking for your baking tray and it's hidden behind 6 other items you forgot you owned? But here's the truth. Most small homes aren't actually too small. They just hide in storage in places you've never been taught to look. As an architect, I redesign lots of flats, apartments, condos, microspaces, and I've learned one important thing. Most people are living with 30–40% of their home's storage potential completely unused. Today, I'm going to show you exactly where the hidden space is and how to unlock it. Hi everyone, Lorenzo here, your Italian architect based in London and founder of Sentioni Architects. I help people like you transform small homes into places that actually support their lives. Because whether you live in a one-bed condo in Florida, a studio apartment in New York, or in a Victorian terrace flat in London, you have already more storage than what you think. Trust me, you just need to know where to find it. Let's get into the 5 spaces nearly every home has, but almost no one uses. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 1. The dead air above every door. Here's one of the biggest mistakes I see. Door frames with 8 to 12 inches of unused space right above them. In almost every apartment I've seen, that area can actually hold a few things. A full floating shelf, seasonal storage baskets, cleaning supplies, towels, or even books. People tell me, but I don't want it to look cluttered. No problem. One long single shelf looks intentional, not messy. It's the cluttered little shelves scattered everywhere that look chaotic. If you apply this little trick in some doors of your house, it can actually add the equivalent storage space of a small entire cabinet. Number 2. The forgotten corners. Corners are either A. collecting dust, B. holding a plant someone forgot to water. But corners are storage gold, especially in small living rooms, awkward bedrooms, or narrow kitchens. You can unlock the corners of your home if you use these small objects. Place triangular shelves. You can use tall corner cabinets or even a vertical stack of baskets. If you're wondering where these corners could be, let's have a look at a typical apartment floor plan. Corners aren't awkward. They're actually very helpful. So let's get them to work, shall we? Number 3. The space under the bed that everyone forgets about. Do you know those Japanese-style bed frames that starts right from the floor? Well, forget about them. If you can't even put a shoe beneath your bed frame, then it's really stealing storage from your life. Even in the tiniest homes, if you can add at least 20–30 centimeters beneath your bed frame, you can unlock a plethora of storage solutions. This could be rolling bins, lidded boxes, vacuum-sealed bedding, suitcases that double as storage containers. And obviously, you can even use some furniture that has inbuilt drawers. Like for example, IKEA has lots of them. Number 4. Vertical walls you haven't claimed yet. Homes are generally designed horizontally, but they can be lived vertically too. Most people only use the bottom half of their walls. Try this. Look around your room right now. Imagine everything above shoulder height as potential storage available space. You could add tall cabinets above desks, slim shelves near the ceiling line, hooks for lightweight items, hanging rail systems especially good in kitchens, pegboards, but make them pretty, not like a garage. What vertical storage does is basically emptying the bottom half of your home so it feels bigger. Number 5. The prime real estate you're not using. Every small home has high-value zones, the places you touch every day, and they are often misused. These include the space inside cabinet doors, the side of the fridge, the end of a wardrobe, or the space behind a bathroom door, even the gap beside a sofa. Let's go quickfire. Inside cabinet doors, perfect for spice racks, foil dispensers, cutting board holders. The side of the fridge, use magnetic shelves. They're a game changer in tiny kitchens. Back of door, not just hooks. Slim behind or shelving can hold cleaning products or toiletries. For the end of wardrobes, a narrow vertical bookcase makes the room taller and adds storage. The gap beside sofa can fit a slim pull-out table or a vertical magazine rack. And yes, your home might be small, but that's not the real problem. It's still full of potential, it just needs to be used differently. If you want more videos on meaningful design for small homes, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I post every week, so stay tuned. And tell me in the comments below, which storage idea are you already using? None of them yet? Then what are you waiting for? Go try one today. Until the next one, ciao.